welcome back to my video. Today we have more parcels. Guess what is this? It's from Daraz. Let's open it. It's so fun. You'll guess. Comment down below what will it be. And hurry up so I can so you can tell. If you watch the end of this video, you will not know what is this. Then you will comment. You have to comment in a hurry. So let's get started and have some fun. Now I can tell you it's a fan. Not an electrical fan, it's a charging fan, or we can put sail in it. Or we can charge it. When will I get it out? Wait, I know one. Let's open it till there. Till the end. Then it will be much easier. Now it's open. What do we got here? Wow! This is a sail. It's long, big, it's cool. And it's purple. Let's throw this away. Let's open it. It's not an electrical fan. It's a charging fan, or we can put this in it. I don't know. We put this over here. Let me see. It's not even charged. Where is the... Oh, there is the charger. Look at this charger. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to give a thumbs up. Oh, smash the subscribe button. Guys, I have put sail in it. Look, it's a long sail and it has a charger. We put the charger over here. Now let me show you. I'll on it. 3, 2, 1, go. This is the on button and this is the off button. Look. First it goes this much speed. Second it goes a little bit fast. Third it goes a lot of fast. And look, when I put this, look, the light comes. So later I will charge it and show you maybe again. Maybe. So goodbye. Make sure